The power of gratitude can transform your life in ways you never imagined.
Why can't anything ever go right?
Sometimes the universe has a way of sending us exactly what we need.
A gratitude journal? Really?
Little did Sarah know, this simple notebook would change everything.
I'm grateful for my morning coffee. This feels silly.
But day by day, something began to shift.
Thank you for always bringing in my packages.
Hey, I'm looking for a marketing consultant. Would you be interested?
That's exactly what I do.
As Sarah's gratitude grew, so did her opportunities.
Grateful for my growing business and amazing clients.
She began to notice the beauty in small moments. You're such a dear. Would you join me for tea? My daughter runs a major marketing firm. You should meet her. One connection led to another.
Grateful for unexpected friendships and opportunities.
The contrast was remarkable.
When you focus on what you have, you attract more to be grateful for.
That first reluctant entry had sparked a chain reaction.
Every thank you is a seed planted for future abundance.
Her story inspired thousands.
Gratitude isn't just saying thanks, it's a way of seeing the world.
The ripple effect continued.
Grateful for this journey, every step of the way.
She discovered that gratitude's true power lies in sharing it.
When we appreciate what we have, we open doors to what's possible.
Remember, gratitude isn't just an attitude. It's a force that can transform your reality.
What are you grateful for?
And remember to click the link below the video for more help manifesting your desires.